Welcome to the quick overview of Investigate module of Cisco XDR. When you log into Cisco XDR, you will be landed on the control center. From here, click on the Investigate menu. The Cisco XDR Investigate is used to search suspicious indicators of compromise IOCs such as emails, log messages, domain URLs and IPs and other extract observables for enrichment. So you can either do a new investigation or you can view the save investigation. Let's do the new investigation first. So you have a help available here with the syntax and the available observables. You can use it for the new investigation. I'm just going to paste a URL to be investigated. Wait for some time. So now the investigation is complete. You can save the investigation. Let's see how the investigation is completed. So you can see you can filter it based on the sources, disposition, and then you can see the graph here, the investigation graph. So the URL is connected to these machines of this environment, and you have timeline available here. So you can slide the timeline so that the graph will change accordingly. So there are 8 nodes displayed here. And these are all the related events for this particular investigation. So you can sort these events based on the first scene severity and all these things. And the severity indicates like what is the severity of the particular incident, particular event. So you can click on here to view the particular event itself. So it shows like the criticality of the event, who reported it, and the summary, description, and the asserts involved, and what is the URL. So all these things are displayed here. Yeah, so I said before, you can save the investigation. Let's move on to the saved investigation. So this is the investigation. It is already investigated and saved. So if you see here the sources, these are all the different sources available. These are all the dispositions available. You can filter it based on the sources or disposition or both. And you have 30 nodes available, and you have a color coding for all these things. And you can do a full screen, zoom in, zoom out, and all these other options you can try out. And then you can view more information about any particular node here. So here the node is a malicious process. It's called tiny.exe. You have the other information like what's the name of the file path, and then what is the SHA value. So all these things are displayed here. If you click on view events, the events will be filtered based on this malicious process. And I said before, like you can slide the timeline and the graph will be changed accordingly. So let's see this malicious one. So it's a malicious SHA, and then the verdict source is AMP file repetition. So you have different actions available here based on the integrated sources of this particular Cisco XDR. This is integrated with CrowdStrike, Microsoft Defender for endpoint, and then secure email threat defense as well as secure endpoint. So whatever you see with a small play button here, these are all the actions you can take. If you click on that, XDR will connect to the CrowdStrike or the corresponding ones, and then it will take a particular action. For example, if you click on quarantine messages, then it will connect to the secure email threat defense, and it will quarantine the messages or emails which are having this particular SHA. And also you can connect to the secure endpoint, and you can do the file trajectory of this particular SHA, or you can directly search the SHA. You can directly connect to the secure endpoint from Cisco XDR, and you can search for this particular SHA, or you can add the SHA to the custom detections. With this, we have come to the end of the demo. Thanks for watching. Thank you.